Hey there, little explorer. Welcome to Playtime City. It's a busy day today. Do you hear that? The engines are starting. Who's ready for an adventure? Look, it's Captain Lad. Check out his big black helmet and friendly smile. He's the first one on the seat. Nana, go, Captain, go. And here comes the rescue squad. They're cruising past the supermarket. Wait, look at that yellow sign, safety first. There's some construction ahead. Good job, team, for keeping our roads. Let's roll. Vroom, vroom. We're driving over the hills and through the street. Look at that giant yellow crane tower, so